Fibs can be applied to long-term investing in the two broad categories of dividend and growth investing. Ideally, long-term investments are to be bought at a low cost and held for many years, while they generate returns from sustained increases in value. Thus, these are solid investments to own in most cases, though it is more desirable to enter at a lower cost. Fibs identify minor or decent opportunities to enter or add to an investment. They also identify opportunities to buy at heavily discounted prices. There is an old phrase in the world of investing that goes something along the lines of fundamental analysis tells you what to buy and technical analysis tells you when to buy. When applied in the context of fibs for long-term investing, this means fibs are merely a form of technical analysis that identifies opportunities to enter and add to an investment at lower prices. Investment decisions are still primarily based on fundamental analysis that points to sustained long-term returns.